Diversity has been one of the keys to our success right from the get-go. We service many sectors, but when we started in mold making, that was diverse in itself. We did telecommunications parts, we did oil and gas parts, we did automotive parts. That really allowed us to branch into many different sectors, and the unique nature of the parts that we did with injection molds allowed us to focus on those more difficult parts within these different sectors. So today, Fidelity services plastic injection industry, oil and gas, other energy sectors, agriculture, military, aerospace, and defense. When we opened Fidelity Machine, we were mainly an injection mold making shop. We started with 2 small manual EDM machines, and we really thought that was going to carry us through for quite some time.
We utilize our current EDM capabilities, which were developed through the mold making side, and we're able to apply that to a number of different industries.
Being in Alberta quickly turned into oil and gas and other general machining.
The tolerances that are required in certain industries, such as the oil and gas, also apply to the aerospace sector, for instance.
We first brought Makino into our company to complement our wire EDM department with an SP43. Over the years, we've continued to add more and more of the Makino brand within our company, and really now going into the mill division and adding more mills like the F5 here.
Working with Makino, we've been able to do a number of transitions into aerospace, for instance, capabilities which we didn't have before.
What I've really noticed with the Makino machines is that everything's super consistent. The finishes are better, all of the sizes and just the position of all the different features on a part are very, very consistent. We put something on the machine and I can almost be 95% certain, assuming that our manufacturing plan was correct, that the parts are going to be coming out perfect.
The 5-axis aspect of it has obviously changed the business probably the most, giving us some capability to do things that we were just not able to do before.
We bought this DA300 because this is the next step. This type of machine lets us push harder, faster, better quality, less downtime, better parts for aerospace, better parts for mold making. The envelope and the workspace within this new machine is so huge compared to some of the other machines that we have, that often we can get 3 setups down to 1 setup. Now, we can bring the price point down to be more competitive in this market.
The horizontal, it's probably allowing us to be more competitive, getting into more production stuff, which we've been targeting over the years. And then you add the element of the 5-axis and the versatility of this one. This has introduced our business to 5-axis machining, and it's opened doors that we wouldn't have been able to open otherwise. The 5-axis decision on this purchase in particular was a last-minute decision just to be able to get ourselves into that world to allow us to bid on this stuff. And you can see the growth that's happening in our business now with this direction, and it's going to continue to grow.